inside of the wig too. Don't ask me what it's for because I don't know. I don't know it all, people, and I'm not a person that's gonna admit that I know it all, because I don't, and nobody actually does. Hi everybody, it's Chastity Elise. I am back for another video. So today I am going to it's going to be a combination. So I am going to be doing an unboxing, and it is for LuvMe hair, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right because anyway, this is it right here. It's an affordable luxury wig. So if you all are wondering why my hair looks kind of crazy right now, that is why, because I don't really see the point in me doing my hair just to put this wig on, because I'm going to be putting on a wig for the first time. I'm going to be putting on a wig. I have never worn a wig before ever in my life, so this is like all completely new to me. So I've got this, and then I purchased this as well. It's called Invisigrip. All right, yeah. So it's by Invisigrip. I was looking for something because I know a lot of times people will use glue on their edges to put a wig on, and I don't want to put glue on my edges. And so I was trying to see what alternative there was out there for me, so I did not have to use glue or gel or anything like really harsh on my edges. And so I guess we'll see how this pans out. Also, another thing, because honestly, like I said, I've never worn a wig. However, I have seen people like braid their hair back, and then they would put like a wig cap or something on, and then they would put their wig on top of it. Of course, it makes sense because you want the wig to be as flat as possible on your head, because you want it to look like it's believable. You want it to look like it's real, and it's not gonna have a real appearance if you've got bumps and lumps all underneath it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna braid my hair like really quick, and then I guess we'll go ahead and get started. Yeah, see, I got hang time, but you wouldn't know it normally. Y'all saw how short them curls were. Like, those curls do absolutely no justice. I get so much shrinkage. Like, tuck it in some kind of way till I can get this Invisigrip on. Okay. So that's on, and I kind of want my part to be on the side. I normally part my hair like here, which is why you all saw the part there. So good with that. Special message. All right. So this right here, this is the hair, which we're gonna get to that in just a second. Had it upside down. But yeah, so this is the hair. Oh, okay, and then it came with this nice little box, and it's 3D mink lashes. It came with this, and then show you all what's in here. Okay, so they sent a wig cap in here, and just kind of like this, it's a little booklet or whatever, talking about returns and refunds. So let's see. Oh, and then it has on the inside about how to care for it, how to use it, and just other frequently asked questions about their products. This is stuff that if you order their hair, you can find it, like it'll come in your box, and or I'm sure if you look online on their website, they probably have some of that same information as well. And then it's got this cute little pack, and it's got different hair products. So it's got, let's see, it's got a rat tail comb in here. So I guess You know, if you want to do your edges or something. Oh, it's got bobby pins. Let's see, what is this? Oh, I guess this is like a scarf. And oh, they've got this cute little clip. It says "Love Me" on it. Yeah, so that cute clip. And then they've got a tweezer. And that is pretty much it. They've got this band, elastic band in here as well. So there's a lot of stuff in that comes with the wig. So that's like super nice. It's like super nice and super convenient just having all this stuff in a box. So I mean, if you ever decide that you want to take it on a trip, something like that, then you already have all your stuff packed away in this box. You've got your kit with your comb, your tweezers, your elastic band, bobby pins. It's got a lot of hair clip. It's got a lot of stuff in here. First of all, like I said, this is my first time ever wearing or trying on a wig. Also, I took a bit of a risk here as well because normally I don't really do anything with hair colors. The only thing I have done was maybe when I was like in high school, I might have gotten highlights a couple of times. But as far as like actually changing my hair color, I've never done that. So I took a I'd say a pretty big risk for myself in this case because I got an entire head of hair that's a completely different color. Like, it's not just a couple of strands, it's the entire head. So this is the wig right here. It's 18 length, and like when I was buying this, it was crazy. It was like this hair was literally selling out. So, because I wanted to get a wig that was a little bit longer, but by the time I went to make my purchase, it was literally like this and this one, and I think there were a couple shorter lengths that were still left, but this was the longest one they had available. So this was inside of the wig too. Don't ask me what it's for because I don't know. I'm gonna open it up and show you all what it is, or show you all what it looks like anyway. I guess maybe it's to adjust the wig in some way. It's just my assumption. I don't really know. I don't know it all, people. And I'm not a person that's gonna admit that I know it all. Because I don't. And nobody actually does. Even if people pretend that they do, no one actually knows everything. So, okay. So it's like this piece that goes around the head. Y'all. No idea what I'm doing. Alright, so I am just going to, we're gonna just jump right into it. And okay. That's my part, so I need it to be more like here. Where it is. I'm pretty sure I saw like combs. And I almost wonder, like I know you're supposed to cut that lace piece, but I'm almost curious, like can you just like tuck it underneath? Do you have to cut it? You know what I'm saying? No, you have to cut it because it's like buckling. how that looks. I don't know if this looks like me though, y'all. Even if I were to you know, cut this piece off and I was able to fit it for my head, I just don't know that this would be me. If I wore it long enough, I feel like this would probably grow on me fully. I feel like it looks really, really good, and this color really complements my skin. This is pretty much like trial and error for me, but overall my review for these wigs, like, this color looks good, and I feel like that's important for people to do, like when they decide to get hair or if they decide to color their hair. You need to look at your skin complexion, see what complements you. I know that a lot of people don't. A lot of people just pick randomly. Thank you all for watching. I feel like the Little Mermaid right about now. Please like and subscribe. Again, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all for the next video.